Hi students, in this exercise we will annotate our surface contours by labeling using contours label script. As you can see in the previous exercise we used three methods to label our surface, but if you did not complete the previous exercise then you must need to complete before this exercise. And when you will open this drawing 405, I will put this drawing in the description link. You can download, and when you will open this drawing after the previous exercise you will see here we have some contours, and here we have also some contours which are not labels, and we must need to complete the labeling of our surfaces. We can't leave them as it is. So how can we use contours grip to modify them? Just now zoom to the northeast portion of the site and notice some of contours here are labels only along the boundary. They are remaining. Now zoom into the contour label placed using the contour multiple at interval button like this, and you will see three grips will appear on a label. The original contour label line are quite apparent, but in reality every label has a label line beneath it. Now grab the northmost grip and drag an adjacent contour northeast of the original labels. You will see new label will appear everywhere you drag. Line now crosses contours. Drop the grip where you want to create labels SD dies. So you can press escape to make sure your label has been deselect. Now we want to label all of them here. Just press enter and press escape. Here we have also some labels, so we can also drag our contour multiple lines here to show them. By using the created label lines instead of adding new ones, we will find it easier to manage the layout of your labels. So it is how we can use the contour label scripts to modify our contour labels. So we don't need to add more contours from the Annotate labels and tables panel. We just can modify our contours label by existing labels also. Stay tuned for the next exercise with us.